Ahoy fellow builders, unboxing tayo. Before we start, a big shout out to Pair O Dice for giving me this set of cards. Actually, Gundam Heavy Arms lang ang gusto ko magkaroon ng card. But sobrang bait ni Sir Kelso, nilatag niya sa akin tong 5 sets of Gundam Wing series. Si Pair O Dice is a card shop for collectors, hobbies, and card gamers. And also, they offer tools from Hobby Alley. Ang starter deck ko para sa Gundam card game ay galing sa Davao. Matic, Wings of Advance ang pinili ko dahil sa Gundam Wing. From the name itself, Gundam card game X Gundam Assemble. There are many ways to enjoy this kit. The trading card game, collection of cards. So if you're a card collector, then this particular activity is for you. Available in Japanese and US card version. So I'm looking forward to have the US card version. Another activity here is that you can also assemble a small scale model kit. Put them together and you'll have another activity, which is the complete battle game set of Gundam card game together with its minifigures. We have this assembly manual for the minifigures. Same as with the Gunpla style. You have the figures and you also have the base. For this one is the manual on how to play the entire card game kit. Unfortunately, naka-Japan siya, but we can do some translation. So it's not a big issue for this one. And of course, yung 3 figure kits niya. Single color dahil ang isa pang activity na gagawin mo dyan is kulayan sila according to your preference. It might be the anime series color preference or your own color preference. Gunpla is freedom. Then another set of Gunpla cards. You can use this one to play the game initially. So again, yung hawak ko with this one is the US version. And naka-English ang kanyang description, while this one is the Japan version. Of course, like other trading cards, you can also get rare cards and the hologram cards. So matik, yung wing na yan is hologram, kaya itatabi na natin yan. So mayroon tayong dalawang wing na naka-textured and hologram. And Tolgis, of course, textured and hologram. Yan, matik yan. Tatabi na natin yan. Of course, other materials. And, yes, may heavy arms, matik. May Sandrak, matik, Maganak, Leos, Aris. Kalimutan ko yung name nito. This one. Of course, Hero Yui. Yan. Zex Marquis. Yes! Of course. Patrol Barton. Quatre. And another set of heavy arms images. Matik yan. Kukolect na natin yan. And some of Stops, Leos. And I think this one is for the power card. Or this one is for the character card. I'm not sure, but nakahiwalay siya for some reason. And some mana card, I think, for this one, or resources card, something like that. And then we do also have these numbers, and it's a cheap number. So apologize kung hindi ko muna siya mapapaliwanag kung ano yung pinaka-function niya. Of course, meron silang special pack. For this one, the starter deck, Wings of Advance, at ano kaya ang laman niya. Medyo, dito ko na nga pupunitin. Hindi ako sanay. At sa siyang hologram card. Ayan. Tatakot akong buksan. Sorry, hindi pa marunong magbukas ng card po, Pauls. At meron tayong, yes! 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 Isang hologram na heavy arms. Anak ng patatas. Napakaswerte. Napakaswerte. Okay, masaya na ako. Masaya na ako. Okay? Solved na ako for this today's unboxing. Isang napakalupit na heavy arms card. Yan. Of course, matik lalagay na kita dito sa hard case na to. By the way guys, hindi kasama tong hard case na to dahil wing siya. Binilang ko na lang din ng sariling hard case. And sobrang saya na ako right now having this kind of holographic heavy arms card. All set na tayo, fellow builders. Again, nag-grab ko siya sa Paradise. Kung taga Davao City ka, you can check Paradise shop to see this Gundam card game. Unfortunately, yung English version mabilis maubos, kaya tignan nyo na lang while stocks last. Again, sobrang thank you to Sir Kelsey. Yan, isa sa mga nagbebenta rin ng tools from Hobby Ali. So, ayos! Again, fellow builders, this is Junior Hot Rod. Just build more and build up. Salamat!